this is Kathy from katzelcreate and welcome back to our channel. So a few weeks ago I uploaded a video of how I made this cute rosette shaker little packaging, and like I had mentioned, I had a lot of page protectors that I've been hoarding, and I thought it was time to start using them up. Not only did I just do this, I actually did shakers, and I actually did my first memory decks using this as a cover for my memory decks. And anyways, I actually already sent that one out. I think I made a video. I did make a video. If I haven't uploaded it by now, I should be uploading it after this one. I did send it in as an entry to a challenge, so hopefully they receive it soon. So I still had extra pieces of these page protectors, and what I decided to make was policy envelopes. Is that what they're called? Policy envelopes with a basically a screen, and I use this instead of using what is it, acetate paper, or is that what it's called, acetate paper? So I wanted to show you guys really quick how I did this one. So I basically just fold it. I didn't even score how I did this one. I just kind of guesstimate it, but since I've noticed with this one that this is my first one that I made with the little what is it called, oh my gosh, you could see through it. So you could see the line right here on this policy, and I was like, that looks a little off. So I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to do it a little differently. And I am not scoring, but I will fold this. I will tell you right now, if you guys want to score, that is at 3 1/4. I will fold that there. And then you have about 1/2 inch left over here. I will fold that here. And it will all come in nice. It should come out nicely. On this side, I will say that I did score half, because I did use a punch, oval punch, paper punch, oh my goodness. And then here I turned it around and I did an E1, because I want this flap to be a little bit bigger and close over, and this be less. So this is where the bottom, this is half and this is 1. And I will go ahead and attempt to make a better, let me see, a better score line here. And this should be about 1/2 to a 3/8 of a score line. It just depends. And there you go. So I don't tape anything yet, but I will cross or fold this right here on the 1/2 score line, get my oval punch, and I could either do this side or this side. I will close it just to measure out which side is better for me. And probably using this side on this side would be better. So I will attempt it like that. Guesstimate. I am not going to make it a perfect. There you go. And that's where the 1/2 inch is at. And this is where it's going to get a little tricky. So I'm just basically, I never done this one before, so I'm just guesstimating. You guys are doing it with me, I'm doing it with you guys. So we'll see how this works out. Hopefully, and I should have taken this out, but I'll just leave it there. And then this side, let me see how. See, you guys? Okay. So this is gonna go like this. Cut it like that. I'm gonna have to cut all this part off. Yeah, I might, you guys, like I said, this is my first time doing it, so I am showing you guys as I am learning myself, basically. And I could always choose not to upload this video. Sneaky me. So I want a little, let me see. I'm just guesstimating, you guys. Like I said, This is the first time I'm doing this. I am just guesstimating, and as you can see, this is not even in place. Let me see if I could do it another way. I am not satisfied, as you guys can tell. Maybe I could just go like this, and there you go. It doesn't look that, it looks a little bit better. There you go. Or I have to do this down here, and I do want to cut this a little bit more because I do want it to be able to close, or else it's not gonna close. I think I'm shaking now because I'm all nervous with you guys here. Like I said, if I choose, I don't even have to upload this video, but there you go. So now put this on the side. Now I have my little window, right? So now we're gonna have to cover it. And where did I leave my piece? I have my piece right here, and I'm gonna measure it about, might want to cut just a little tiny bit of it, and it's not gonna be a perfect cut. I'm just guesstimating. There you go. I'm gonna use some of this red score tape. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on all 4 sides. So I am hoping this video is not too long. And okay, I don't need the scoreboard. Oops. So I want to put this on here, and I hope you guys can see. If not, I apologize. It's like an improv video, I could say. And like I said, I'm like shaking. Imagine if I would have been live with this. Oh my goodness, I'd be like nervous, like so totally nervous. And I need to do a live video. I know Donna from Powered by Creativity has offered to do lives with certain people. Not certain people, but if you're wanting to do a live, she basically you could just basically email her, let her know that you're interested in doing a live, and she will be doing a live with you, which is awesome. She does her videos on Mondays, and it's awesome. It's a good way of interacting with other crafters, talking, you know. The other day she had Wandy up, and she was showing her how to do certain things. It was a good help for Wandy and a lot of us, actually. So just put the score tape, the red score tape. I like using the red score tape because it's gonna adhere right. Like I said, I hope I'm in frame, because if not, I'm gonna have to redo this video and cut and paste. So I'm hoping, let me see. And there you go. So from here, you could either use your glue or you could use the white score tape. I'm gonna do the glue, and I'm gonna put glue on the inside on this one, like that, and I'm gonna put the glue on the outside. And there you go. So now you have a clear see-through window, and you don't see the lines like you did on this one. So hopefully you guys have found this video helpful. Let me guys know what you guys think, and thank you for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.